Are oil futures heating up and ready to pop? Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing educational stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, we're looking at crude oil futures, okay? Now, you could look at crude oil futures. You could look at, /CL or BZ. I choose to look at CL, which is crude oil futures. So what my target was is 87.12. We're looking at the weekly once again. It hit my target last week and the week before last, but did not get above my target. Okay, so that was my resistance 2 weeks ago. Last week it was my resistance as well. Did not hold above it on the weekly chart, and as you can see right here, I said if we hold below this resistance, we drop to our drop target, which would be 73.55. Okay, so if we don't get above 87.12 on crude oil futures, then we will drop to that 73.55. Of course, we'll probably hit around 79 first, maybe bounce around there, but first order of business might be 79.25 and then 73.55. Okay, now if we do get above 87.12, all right, if we do hold above that, then we would be looking at $106.02 being our next target. Okay. Now, of course, stair stepping it might be around like 91.50 being our next target, like immediate target. But in the long run, we're looking at 106.02. All right. So 87.12 I'm thinking is going to hold for us to pull back, but you never know because we have this whole thing happening with Iran and Israel. So what is going to happen? We don't know. We got to be prepared for both sides. 87 is holding for around 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks it has been. I think this week it will as well, because we're looking at the stochastics and it's actually looking a little tired. All right, looking a little tired and a little overbought. All right, so that lets me know it is possibly going to have that rejection and fall like it did right here when it got tired. All right, and it's looking a little sluggish, like it's been wanting to drop, but it couldn't. It just could not bear it. Okay, so we don't know what's going to happen, but if we scale down to the daily, you'll see a lot more of the rejection area. Okay, so you'll see we got rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 4 times consecutively, like day after day, though, on the 4th, the, 5th, the 8th, the 9th, like back to back to back got rejected at 87.12. All right. Let you know it's a strong area. Got rejected there on Friday as well. Let you know it's a strong area, but it actually got there. It could retest that area as well again, or, that huge, this huge top tail candle could let us know, dang, man, like we can't get past the resistance. We might have to pull back and recoup for a little bit. So don't know what is going to happen, whether we retest that or not. But like I said, crude oil futures, you can use this for like XOM or any of your oil stocks, any of your energy stocks, XLE. I'm thinking 87.12 is going to be our resistance for crude oil futures. If we don't get above that, then we drop to around 73.55. Of course, it'll be incrementally. I would say like 79.20 is the next, drop area, and then 73.55. Ideally, the breakdown is around 67.41. Okay, so if we look back on the weekly chart, if we're looking long term, the biggest drop area is around 67.41. Okay, so if we get below 73.55, then we hit 67.41, and then below 67.41 we have our lower drop target at 53.87. As you can see, I have our lower targets right here between 42 and 53. All right, so I just have that just in case we go below the 53. But yeah, we keep getting that rejection at 87.12, and then we could see a stair step drop over the next year or two. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at, and happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting edge AI technology like AI powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader funding and the promo code, input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.